In today's video, I've been asked by one of my viewers to go through this pack we have here to see if the batteries are identical with the video I just posted before this one with the BMS. Some of them have BMS battery management system, and some of them don't. So there comes the question. He's curious to see, and since he's a diehard fan on the Volkswagen e-Golf batteries, and he wanna know a lot of things about this battery before he's gonna get into it, or before everybody is gonna ask me the same question. So he came up with the question, and he has been a long time viewer, and I'm gonna do it for you guys. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take these two screws here, and we're gonna see if this one has a BMS. I'm not gonna go through all this. No, I cannot do that. I'm sorry, because I have to maintain my system running, and I don't want to just destroy the integrity of the my system or interrupting my system while running. So it takes a while to do all this, what I did. So let's go ahead and get the battery cover popped. Just two screws. All right. Let's see here. Take this guy. We don't want to lose them. And this is what it is. You press the sides. Let's see. I hope nothing happened, because there you go. So now you can see this one has them. And before you ask, I was trying to do that yesterday to verify. If you see, anytime this battery has something of this nature, this where the pins go or the plugs go, and you see another one, as one of my viewer already trying to put this 2 and 2 together, or 1 and 2 together, Cedric Green, it was explain probably these sides here, the black is carrying the charge to the other side of the other battery. Here you pass it as the power, and the yellow one here is supposed to be like the balancing. So one is like the master, and one is like the slave. It's a good observation, and I want more people to discuss about this and see, because everybody, or a lot of the people I've seen buying lithium batteries that already have BMS boards on them, they just trying to run away from them. They don't want to do anything with them, because I think it's a lot of work, or maybe they don't just want to, because they're curious to or anxious to go about their own thing, run the batteries, instead of having a headache to figure it out. And they just buy BMSs from cheap Chinese Alibaba to incorporate to their systems, which is not bad at all. You can do whatever you want to do. It's your system. I'm not here to ruin anybody's work or channel or whatever, but I'm just saying, for my application, I'm so curious to see if I can have someone work along with me to go about do this system here, and see what we're gonna accomplish to get these batteries wired in the right BMS configurations, or whatever plug it is. So we're gonna have another, just a voltage regulators or whatever, how we can able to incorporate that. But like I said, I'm not a grandmaster here for lithium batteries. I'm not the BMS guru. As you have seen on my videos, I haven't made any video regarding into BMS incorporated to my batteries. So I just want to show you guys whatever you think. Maybe you can get back to me. I'll put the camera. I don't know if you can see it. That's the board. Oh, let me come closer. You can able to see. I don't know how far you can able to see. Okay, I dim the light a little bit and see what you can pick up from here. Okay. I know there are a lot of intelligent, very smart brain people out there, way more than I do. And they know they like to tinker with this stuff. You know, tedious work that gives them joy, just like me. I like tedious work. But I'm not going to try to learn to wire this thing on a very expensive battery like this. I'm not going to do it. And I'm not going to ruin my battery for just, I know it's experimental, but I'm not going to do it. I love you guys, but no, it's not going to happen. So tell me what you think. Here are the pins on the corner right here, the black and the orange. And here we have the black that was Cedric was talking about. There's a sensor right here. So this one came from Earl from the Caribbean. So he was curious about this. Earl, now you already seen. So go to the channels, like and subscribe. And a lot of you guys, I would like to see some people jump into this topic, especially going off grid. He's messing with a lot of BMS's systems, a lot of Jaru. Is it that? I think that's his name. He knows a lot about this stuff. So a lot of you guys I don't even call, and doesn't mean I'm trying to. I don't recognize you guys, but maybe if these guys I call, they happen to watch my video, I want you to step into this and see what it can do. I don't mind. If someone is willing to do this, I can buy one of these battery online and ship it to that person and just see what BMS is gonna go, what's gonna do, and ship it back to me after it's already wired, or tape the BMS on top of it, so I can do a replica of that, replicate it when it comes back, so I can wire my BMSs, because I want to use this main motherboard or whatever board, the master board that came with it. So if you guys can help me with that, I'm I'm gonna be really happy with that. I appreciate that a lot, because I want to utilize the boards that came with this. So see if you can able to do this, and if it's 2 batteries, so that what Cedric suggested, we can able to see if this one probably gonna go to the other side and be master and a slave. So let me know what you think. I'll just excuse people from overseas, international. I'm not gonna able to ship this to you because it's gonna cost a lot of money, and for you shipping it back to me. But in the United States, we can able to work out things with the individual who's ready to do this. Or some people can look the schematics into this and go about it, like going off grid. I know probably he can figure out this one. He likes this kind of work. So very tedious or something. I like things that challenge my brain too, but I don't even have time to do this because the system is working perfectly, and I don't want to even go about starting things that I cannot even complete. And yeah, kind of components here. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. I don't want to be touching the board at all, because it might probably cause an arc or a static, and that would cause a problem to my battery. So it's not just like everybody or anybody who wants to try and compete or whatever. That'll be great, but I don't just want my batteries to be ruined at all. I want someone who really knows about this and go about it and tell me what you think. I hope I can get it more clear for you. Trying to adjust the light so I can turn off the lights when I'm recording. So as soon as I turn it on, it's gonna stay like that. So I think this is the closest I can do for you. We're trying to go a little bit wider here. See? That's the plug right there, the end plug. It has a yellow dot. Okay? Look at the wires. And I'm moving slowly towards the left. Let me show this plug. You can able to pause this and go over it. And these are the two plugs right here. The top one goes all the way to that point right here. And the black one goes all the way back to the other side of here. Like and subscribe. jwsolarusa. Alright guys, I hope I answered your questions. Thank you for bringing that up, Earl. And we checked. I know all these batteries gonna be having these, and you can see right there, and that'll be the single one on the other side. There's other ones here, so all the way and to the back. So I think my batteries will have that. So I want you guys to do me a big favor and pass this video, share it with other people. You know that there are tech gurus into internal lithium BMS boards to help out if they can able to help and figure out this thing and pass on the message. Thank you.